Hi there, and welcome to 42Kites. What if solving your biggest engagement challenges only took a few clicks? Whether you're looking to captivate visitors, cut down on repetitive questions, or build something entirely unique, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll discover how our system can help you unlock smarter, smoother, and more personalized experiences for people. We'll explore 5 key areas. Experiences, the heartbeat of your interactions. Content, what people see on their device. Customization, tailor everything to match your brand. Smart link cards, scannable and tappable cards that guide people. Installation, bringing it all to life step by step. By the end, you'll be ready to launch the system with confidence. And remember, if you ever need a hand, we're just a message away. Let's dive in. Experiences. First things first, make sure you're logged into your account by clicking on the Login button in the top right corner of any page on 42kites.com. Then, enter the email address and password associated with your 42Kites account. You can manage your account from any device. You don't need to install an app. To make things easier to see in this Getting Started video, we'll mostly stick with desktop view, but just know that it works great on mobile devices as well. Here's a great way to begin. Head to the My Experiences page and give it a name like Hotel Guest Info, or Student Assignments, whatever makes sense for you. And now you're ready to add content. Adding content. Here's where you add everything people will see. Text, photos, videos, buttons, maps, you name it. Let's get started. Make sure you are on the My Experiences screen. Click on your new experience to expand it to see the options. Then choose Edit as Admin. In the Add New Content box is a drop-down menu. Click it, and you'll see the list of content modules in alphabetical order. Let's start by adding some text. Once text is selected, you'll see the options for text, including size and alignment. Each module has its own unique fields. With the new text information set, click Save Content. The text now appears at the top of the experience. Now, let's add a heading by going back to the Add New Content box and selecting Heading. Type in the new heading and click Save. Here's the heading. Now, let's add a map by going back to the Add New Content box and selecting Map. Type in any address and click Save. Here's the map. Follow the same process for any content module. You know, looking at the content, I think the heading should be above the text. And thankfully, sorting content modules is very easy. Since I am logged into my account, only I can see these edit buttons above each module. The general public does not see these buttons. Notice how each edit button has a sort order number? The text module has a sort order number of 100, and the heading has a sort order number of 200. To move the heading above the text, I just need to edit the heading and change its sort order number to something less than 100. I'll type in 50 and hit Save. The heading is above the text. Notice the icons at the bottom of the screen? This is the 42Kites exclusive feature called the Inclusion Bar. It automatically displays at the bottom of your experiences and includes visual impairment controls, language translation, and text-to-speech. Let's say you are done adding content to your experience. Now let's make it match your existing color scheme. Customization. On the main My Experiences screen, Click the Customize button to open the color settings. You'll see color pickers for different elements like headings, background, inclusion bar, and more. With just a few clicks, you can make your experience match your branding perfectly, down to the last pixel. A bit further down, you'll see options for the shared header and footer. Anything you add here will show up at the top or bottom of all your experiences. We'll skip it for now, but it's super helpful when you have more than one experience. Smart Link cards. With your experience filled with content and now perfectly branded, let's connect your SmartLink card to the experience you just made. A SmartLink card is how people access your content, and it looks like this. On the outside is a QR code, and on the inside is an NFC chip, which allows people to physically tap their phone on the card to access the information. Every SmartLink card has its own unique ID and PIN, and to find this information, just flip your SmartLink card over, and there it is. Here, the SmartLink card ID, and here is the SmartLink card PIN. Next, visit the My SmartLinks page and notice the Configuration Wizard button. Click it to expand the options. You'll see one box for the ID and one box for the PIN. Type the ID and PIN of your SmartLink card into the boxes and click Configure. Once verified, you can now select your new experience and hit Connect. Double-check it by scanning or tapping your SmartLink card with your mobile device. Your experience should launch instantly. Installation. Each SmartLink card holder includes a white base, a transparent windshield, a dark silicone wrap, 2 large screws, and 2 small screws. You can mount it wherever you want, on the wall, on a table, indoors or outdoors. Installation only takes a few minutes using 1 small and 1 large screwdriver. When you're ready to attach the device, place the white base on the desired surface, making sure the 2 screw holes are aligned vertically. Then insert and tighten the 2 large screws through the rear holes to secure it in place. Now, place the configured SmartLink card over the base. Then place the windshield over the SmartLink card and secure it with the 2 small screws on the side. Finish by stretching the silicone wrap over the assembled unit, giving it a nice finished edge. Repeat this process for all your SmartLink cards. Once it's up, anyone can tap or scan it with their phone and instantly access your experience content. No app, no sign-up, no hassle. Oh, and there's one more thing. If your SmartLink device ever gets smashed, breaks apart, or gets stolen, we'll send you a replacement device for free. That's our always perfect guarantee. You've come so far in just a few minutes, but this video is only the beginning. With 42 Kites, you're not just setting up a tool, you're transforming the way people connect with information. Explore our website for more tips, tools, and ideas. We can't wait to see what you build. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the next chapter of Visitor Experiences.